Hello guys, I Shoot Gameplays, I'm Fabio Pisco, and today I bring you a different video. Well, this type of video is more kind of a joy video. So I'm just sharing my happiness by buying new parts, in this case the Asus ROG Strix X570, around 295 euros, the most expensive motherboard I've ever bought. So the most expensive one was like past this one, so before this one was like 125 euros or 130 euros, so 130 to 295 euros, so the most expensive motherboard I've ever bought. And the second one is this one, so Ryzen 5 3600. Many people are expecting my videos of Ryzen 5 2600 versus Ryzen 5 3600, and well, well, the thing is, I already tested the Ryzen 5 2600 with a new Windows update and etc. So I'm gonna put my Ryzen 5 3600 now on the B360 Strix 350 Strix. And well, I'm gonna test one versus another, and then I'm gonna put the X570. So that's mostly it. A video for sharing my happiness, and well, let's now go to the unboxing of the X570 and the Ryzen 5 3600. Let's go. So guys, here we have the two parts, so the ROG Strix X570F and the Ryzen 5 3600. So here it is. Okay, focus please, yes. So I'm recording with my mobile, and I'm still also recording the voice with the mobile, okay. So the voice, I won't even use my microphone. It's kind of just a simple video. I won't also cut much, so this video will be almost uncut, which is bad, good and bad, but whatever. But let's start for example unboxing the Ryzen 5 3600. So the first one is Ryzen 5 3600. Here it is, focus. Okay, it will not focus, whatever. So okay, Ryzen 5, the box is quite different, sorry, from the previous one. So the previous Ryzen 5s, let me get one. The previous box is kind of different, as you may see. So the older box is quite darker, a bit darker, of course. It doesn't have this pattern, you maybe see it here, okay, this pattern with the gray color, sorry. It is darker, doesn't have the pattern, and it is quite bigger, as you can see. So the difference is quite noticeable. Okay, let's start with this one. So opening it with a pretty cool tool that I got from another PC. Yes, it's a bracket from the VGA, so the graphics card, whatever. So let's use it. Well, it works. If it is stupid but it works, then it isn't stupid. Okay, let's open it. Okay, pretty harsh. Okay, done. Nothing new here. So the cooler and the CPU. Let's start from the CPU. Okay, I think this is kind of a new, okay, focus, damn camera. You damn camera. Okay, the sticker is kind of the same. This is the CPU, so Ryzen 5 3600. Oh shit, I fucking ate my cell phone, whatever. Not something new to per se, okay, not anything new. And this is the cooler it brings with. So I really think it is the Spire one. Let's see it. I didn't even watch it because I won't really use it, so I'll just use my Wraith one from the Ryzen 7. Yes, it is the stealth one. So as you can see, the stealth is pretty damn stealth. Okay, it is pretty damn small. It is a bit a bit different. So this is gloss, while the ones on the previous generations are not glossy, they are more matte or mate, whatever. But well, it's still a stealth cooler, so nothing really new per se, and nothing really good, because the Spire would be so much better, so much better. Now we have this. Important, please read. No. And then we have the installation instructions for AMD FM2 Plus, AMD 3 Plus, AM4 sockets, including TR4 and SP3. So yeah, that's it. And well, and this is the motherboard. ROG Strix, one more time, ROG Strix X570. Whatever. Let's open it. Chan 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 chan. Okay, pretty neat. The box is damn heavy, so okay, I'm not showing the box because I think it is not really important. You want to see the motherboard. So let's open it. Oh, careful. The motherboard is heavy. It is damn heavy. Okay, let's open it. So guys, all I have to say here is holy fucking shit. The motherboard looks so good. So good, guys. You don't imagine, man. We have here the fan, the chipset fan. We have the we have these PCI slots, but they are really sturdy. They really are, man. Jesus. Just let me move the camera a bit, because this is really interesting for you to see. So we have here the logo of the ROG Strix, which is pretty good. This part will give some LEDs, some colors. This one too is kind of a LED screen, you can call it that. As for the connections, we have the Supreme FX chipset, the sound chipset. Yep, fucking camera. Anyway, we have the sound connections. We have the Ethernet connection. We have the USB Type-C. I like this, USB Type-C. Come on, focus, camera. Whatever, one more time. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 USB 3 and 2 USB 3, okay? 1, 2, 3, 3 USB 3.1, Jesus. Okay, let's just... Yes, that's better. And we have the HDMI for the APUs, and the camera is always focusing on the part that I don't want it to focus. And then we have the display port also, which is a pretty nice feature. And this is the bias change, or the bias clear, the bias clear, which is pretty damn nice also. The motherboard looks really good. So we have here the heatsinks, we have another one here, and we have 8+4 power connections to the motherboard. We have here many fan options. Jesus, I really hate this. Okay, better now. So we have here the system fans, the cases fans, etc. We also have the... Yes, we have a lot of shit. So the RAM things, the RAMmy things are also cool and sturdy. They feel really sturdy, and there's not really much more to say. We have the M2 heatsink, the M2 SSD heatsink. Nothing really much more to say, but it is really cool, guys. Trust me, this motherboard looks really damn great, really. So I'm really happy to have it, and I hope that I can overclock the RAMs as fast as possible, because I have Samsung BDI 4400 MHz CL19, and well, this board into this PC will look dope. Yes, will look dope. So, well, one more time, nothing more to say. Let's go. And so guys, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching this small video of the unboxing of these two parts, so X570 Strix and Ryzen 5 3600. Hope you really enjoyed it. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget, hit like, subscribe and share the video because that really helps a lot. And well, see you in the next one, which will be Ryzen 5 2600 versus Ryzen 5 3600. See you soon.